All right, welcome students to US History. This is our website, and this is basically a little bit of an introduction. In the unit we will be working on, we are going to be discussing the creation of the government of the new United States. We're going to learn about important documents, people, and decisions that happened during this time. We're going to follow our roadmap on this website to work through our 10-day unit and our formative assessment, which we will talk about a little bit later on a historical person creating an Instagram account for them. So, your objective is that by the end of the unit, you guys will understand the political principles of the US Constitution and compared the enumerated and implied powers of the federal government. And the central historical thinking question that we're going to do for this is: was the Constitution enough to be the guide for running the federal government? So you're going to scroll down and you're going to see our little roadmap, our little buttons. So first, we're going to click on lesson one, and it's going to take you right here, and it's going to show you the objectives we're going to do, the standards we're going to be doing, what your essential historical thinking question will be, the content we're going to learn, what your guys' activity is. For this activity, you guys are going to do a jigsaw. And every time you see something underlined, that means you can click on it and it'll take you. For this activity, we're going to be doing a Jamboard. So you'll click this link right here. Um, right here, you'll click that Jamboard link and it'll take you. And then and you guys will work through, and then your assessment will be this intro quiz that you'll take. Don't worry, it is not graded. It's just going to be for me to kind of get a base of where you guys are going to be. Okay, so once we work through lesson one, we'll go to lesson two. Same exact format. It's going to tell you what we're learning about, your objectives, your standards, your central historical thinking question. For this activity, we will be using Padlet. And right here's the link that you're going to click on. And you're going to do a Venn diagram on Padlet, which you'll do with your groups. Your assessment will be the Venn diagram that we discuss. So once we finish these two lessons, we're going to head over to our framework. And this is kind of just giving you a brief overview of the rest of the lessons that we'll be doing. So it has lessons 3 through 10. It has their lesson titles. You also have your historical person Instagram account. So this is the assessment that will be your final project for this unit, where you're going to create an Instagram page for a historical person from the time era we have been discussing. It gives you a little bit of the information, and also right here there is a link to the rubric so that you can know exactly what I'm expecting for this project. Now, for a little bit of fun after this unit, we have an extra credit assignment. Now, if you don't already know, your teacher is a big musical fan, and I love the musical Hamilton. So, if you guys want a couple extra credit points, you're going to listen to the Hamilton musical soundtrack, and you're just going to pick one song that connects to anything we talked about this semester for this section. And all you're going to do is you're going to write a half page to a page on what connections the song makes to what we talked about. And then, if you guys have any questions, all of our references are going to be on our final page. It's going to have the two website links for what we're going to do if you get lost on your pages. It has all of the videos we're going to talk about, and it has all the images that we used in this website. All right, guys, so that is an overview of our lesson for what we're going to be doing for this unit, and I look forward to teaching you guys.